Spooky! 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 Today we're going to change our air filter in the AC. You have to do it once a year at least. It really depends on the filter, but I've got one that is once a year. You have to do this, especially if you have pets and all that stuff. Keep the allergies out. So we're gonna open up the box, but first, before I forget, is turn off your AC unit before you go up there and take the filter out. I'm gonna do that right now. Oh, it's blurry. There we go, it's off. Now there are tons of different filters out there. So I can't tell you which one you have, so you're just gonna have to figure that out. Look at your machine, it'll probably tell you on a panel on the inside. We'll take a look when I get up there. But as far as me, I have this filter that I ordered online. I actually got 2 of them. Yeah, really look at your options online, because 2 of these guys were like practically the same price as one of them that was a name brand. So I'm trying the off-brand for half the price. It's like the kind I have is like an accordion style. It opens up once we're in there. So I'm gonna take one of these bad boys. We're gonna go up. Spooky! Get the light on. Weak ass light. All right. Spooky! Yeah, it's October right now. It's actually Halloween Day that I'm doing this. This probably won't come out till like mid-November. No kitty. That's another thing. Come here, baby. Come here, mama. Oh, watch out, Garrus. Watch out, Garrus. This little monkey, last time I was up here last year, see, she already wants to do it. She got in the attic and it was pain in the ass trying to get her out. So if you have a cat, put him in a room while you're doing this. All right, I'm gonna do this again. All right, let's get my fat ass up here and hope it doesn't break. Spooky. There's a light up there. Oh. Oh. I'll try not to do all the dad sounds. There we go. Okay, there should be a light. There it is. Yeah, okay. Okay. To the person who did like the internet, they just left. I need to clean it up. All these like wires and shit, just loose, just cable clippings. They just left it all here. This is terrifying. All right, so the unit is way back over here, the filter. I'm gonna find another spot for this camera. Also, when you're doing this, I hope this picks up. On the ceiling, don't bump your head, because all the nails from the shingles, it's like a trap. So don't bump your head. Okay, I found a perfect spot to put the camera. Sort of. And they left trash here too. Guys, that's as good as it'll get, I think. Okay, yeah, I've got cables everywhere. I don't know if these are even connected or not, but I'm gonna move them out of the way. Hopefully your house has a better design than mine. This is like a death trap. There's no spot to stand. I have to stand on these, 2x4s that are going across. and hopefully they're strong enough for my fat ass. All right, now these filters, you see it's got a little sticker, very important, airflow. Know which way your unit is flowing. I'm gonna go over here. Can you still see? Yeah, you can still kind of see. This right here is where the filter is, and this thing's probably gonna be nasty. Because I've got Garris, I believe he's like a Husky and German Shepherd mix. And he's a beautiful boy, but oh my God, he's hairy. Yeah, see, this guy slides out just like this. See, it's like an accordion. And see if I can get the light here. Yeah, this thing's nasty. Yeah. So I pulled it out like this, and I see right here, it's showing that the airflow is going this way. So as I'm looking at it, the airflow is going to the left. So I'm gonna set this down, try not to throw it because it'll poof dust everywhere. Okay. And it's got these little railings. They're easy to connect. Now here is our new one. I'm gonna take these little braces. That's one of the things that sold me on this one, is it has these little braces that keep it extended. I've never tried one like this. Look how clean that is. Okay. So again, make sure airflow arrow is going in the correct direction. I'm gonna slide this puppy in. Please fit. Oh my God, please fit. Oh, it's looking good. Oh my God. Perfect. Okay. Y'all, I'm gonna be so mad if this video doesn't come out good. Okay. And this little guy, it's super easy. It's got a little handle right here. You just pull from the top. It has these two little grabby guys that you just connect on the bottom. Like so, and you push it up. Oh, yeah, while I'm up here, while we're looking at it, we're talking about the Air model. Now this one on the inside of the panel shows the size of your filter. So when you come up here to change yours, if you don't know what size, come up here first, take off the lid, and you'll see the size of your filter. You see the bottom part? Yeah, you saw the bottom part. Okay, there it is. Put it on. This is killing my back. It's a nice tight fit. Okay. And yeah, I mean, you know, they say do this in the springtime or whatever, but I live in Texas, and Texas sucks, and it's freaking hot. I'm doing this in October, and I'm still sweating. Golly, look at that, scary. I don't know, okay. See, the platform's here. I don't know why they put the ladder connecting on that side, because you gotta climb and then cross over the hole. It's scary. So I'm gonna put the camera down and get down here safely and stop moving it around, making y'all sick. Okay, I'm back down. What I did was I took the plastic that the new one came in, put the old one in it, so I'm not walking around throwing dust all over the house. Throw this bad boy back up. Next thing we're gonna do is let the cat out, and then let's turn the AC back on. Boom. Also, before I forget, I'm gonna get back up there, but this extra one I have, I'm just gonna throw it up there. That way next year it's already up there waiting for me. All I have to do is climb up there, throw it in, that's it. All right, we're done. Kitty, stop making noise. The cat runs around, the dryer's going off right as I start talking. Okay. All right, and that's it. It's real easy. You just have to do it every year. That's the hardest thing, is getting up there and doing it. I like to wait until fall, winter, because it's hot as hell. But that's it. If you have any questions, get on those comments. Please subscribe, all that fun stuff. I want to continue doing these kind of videos. I'm just gonna, anytime I find something around the house that needs fixing, I'm gonna record it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna grab a pen, it's looking kinda bland. Chop, chop, sizzle, make it taste.